Who's the best franchise player that you've played with?
Dhoni. Has to be. I think just in terms of his captaincy, his aura.
Tell us about his character.
Oh, he's fantastic. In terms of just so incredibly calm. And he is genuinely cool. There's not many cool people. You don't meet many cool people. But he is just, what a lovely guy, considering how much started so much deceased. Obviously a Man United fan, like yourself, and so we'd watch every Man United game because you can't leave the hotel.